In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and add Google Tag Manager to your WordPress website. So this is actually relatively straightforward. All you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and you first need to head over to the website tagmanager.google.com. Now in the top right hand side, make sure you're logged in to the correct Google account. Once you're on this window, select Create Account. Now you just need to fill in the information on the screen, such as your business name and country, enter the URL of your website, and select Web from this list and press Create. Simply scroll down to the bottom of this page and press I agree to the terms and conditions and hit Yes. So that's going to pop up with this code to install the Google Tag Manager. And there's two different sets of codes that we need to install to our website. We have this header code at the top here, and we also have this body code down here. So what we're going to do now is head over to our WordPress dashboard, and from the left-hand side, select Plugins. Then click on Add a new plugin from the very top here. And using the search box, type in header, footer, and hit enter. Now the plugin you need to install is this WP code insert headers and footers. So I'm just going to click on install now. Then go ahead and press activate, and then from the left hand side we can come down to code snippets and select header and footer. So now that we're on this page, head back over to the Google Tag Manager, and we're going to start by copying this header code by clicking on the copy icon. Head back over to your dashboard, and then you'll need to paste that code inside of the header section. Then head back over to the Google Tag Manager, and this time copy the body code and head back over to your website. Now the body code, you actually want to include this in the footer and not the body. So what we're going to do is just right click again and select paste. And once you've done that, you can just simply press save changes. So now you've successfully installed the Google Tag Manager. To check that it's working, you can head over to the Google Tag Manager, enter your URL at the bottom of the page here, and then simply press test. As you can see, we have a green tick, which means it's detected the code. If it doesn't work straight away, then you can try clearing your cache on your website. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.